Hey fellow collectors, today we'll be talking about Warhammer 40K from Building Blocks. We have this set of figures. Just take this and pour them on out. And we see we have an Ultramarine, a Blood Angel, Imperial Fist, we have a Salamander, and a White Scar. So we'll go ahead and do the White Scar since he's the last one in my hand. And we see his head's already in. Yeah. So here's his face. And I'll turn it around to the right area. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and separate this out. He has this section here that will fit on to there. He also has these little feetsies boots that will go on and give him a little extra height. So there we go for that section. We're going to take his arms and go ahead and attach those like so. There we go. These pauldrons go on over these, the armor goes on over the arms. And then you do this before you put the pauldrons on. And we have these weapons, or these hands here. And you can just put them on. Like so. Okay. Now that we have all that armor on, take the middle piece, take his head off. And you want to cover up his bodysuit. Like so. Take his Aquila and put it right there. Head goes back on. And we can put his backpack on. Then we can put the pauldrons on. Like so, and then take the helmet and put it on. There we go. Now he comes with a plasma gun and a bolter with an extra clip. You can just fit them in the arms like so. And there we have the White Scar. Now we have the little stand here. And you can see, looks pretty good there. Now the figures themselves are the same build. So here we go. Now all of them are together. We'll take a look at the Imperial Fist here. We got his symbol there, his Aquila. He has a power chainsaw sword and his bolter here. See his face. Frowny dude. Put on the helmet. Then we have a Blood Angel. And after that build with this thing, I was hoping that this guy wouldn't have any issues, and thankfully he did not. So you see he has the pauldron that the other one was missing. Same guns and weapons. So I don't know how I got lucky and got that one. So I was saying this is a Salamander. It's actually a Dark Angel. You can see his face there. Equally comes with a chainsaw sword also. And his plasma cannon. And last, but not least, is the Ultramarine. Comes with 2 bolters. Put that helmet on. Now these guys are very cool. Goes with your Lego sets. And if you get more than one, like these Blade Guard veterans over here, then you can have denotions of rank and things like that, and you know, just all these wonderful wonderful ranks and things like this. I mean, you can captain, lieutenants, and all these wonderful, wonderful choices to make. So remember, as always, to like, subscribe, and keep collecting.